Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to start room cleaning on your ROBOROCK Saros 10R. Room cleaning can be done by selecting rooms down here. Now select which rooms to clean, because room cleaning mode gives you an option to select, let's say, just one or a few rooms, not the whole house. I'll just select living room. You can also click here to change the suction power, water flow, cleaning count or route, or change so it's not just vacuuming and mopping. Instead it's just mopping or just vacuuming, or you can customize it so each room is cleaned differently. You can also change the sequence in which rooms will be done, and you can set it to vacuum followed by mop, so it will first vacuum the whole house, then return and mop it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.